What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys these permanent outdoor lights. So inside of this box there are 150 feet of lights that you can use. These are compatible with Alexa or like Hey Google. You can also get an app to like fine tune the colors and have it turn on at a certain time of day. But I'm going to set these up, show you what it looks like inside of the box, and I'll show you how to use them. So inside the box there are 4 smaller boxes inside of it. 3 of them have lights inside of it, and the last box, this one, has like your power supply, the remote, and stuff to help you mount it onto your house. So like I said earlier, there are 3 boxes of just literal lights that you can use. But the cool thing about this is you don't have to use all 150 feet at a time. You can string them up. So I took them out, so they're not as organized as they would be. But each box has 2 little strings of these, and they just screw on together. So it has one side that is a screw, and the other side that gets screwed into. It has a really nice gasket so that water won't get inside of it, and overall it just has really good quality. The lights are extremely bright. They have like a cool like magnifying glass look, and they have a sticky pad on the back for you to just stick onto your house. But they also have this little hole on them that you can use the screws that it comes with to screw it onto your house. It also comes with an extension that is about 6 feet long, just so that you can get a little bit more range if you wanted to plug it in and then have the light set up somewhere else. It has a waterproof power supply that just uses the same screw-on adapter thing, and that just screws right into this receiver that has its own controls on it. Right here you got the mode, power button, and like a C, maybe, I don't actually know. But yeah, it also comes with a cool white remote that it does not actually come with batteries, so you got to put 2 of your own batteries inside of it. Not that hard though, you just got to keep that in mind. And then 3 little bags full completely of screws so that you can screw it onto your house. It also comes with this little end piece attachment so that when you finish stringing them all up, you don't want an open end getting all rusty, so you want to put this on there so water doesn't get inside. The receiver can control each light individually, so that means you can have like a spiraling animation or just like cool animations. And instead of like all of them being white or like all of them being a solid color, you can get the app and then program it like that. You can also program it with the app to turn on at different times of the day. There's tons of cool colors that you can turn it to. Oh wait, that's like pretty bright. It also, you have like a sound mode, so then it like it recognizes sound. There's a lot of different sound modes, but you can get even more sound modes with the app and just fine tune it even more. Alright, so you guys are probably wondering, how easy are these lights to install? So I have a little test that I'm going to do that is just me screwing in the screws that it comes with and sticking it on the board using the sticky part. So I'm going to show you that and just show you how to do it. Alright, so I'm all set up over here with a little test that I'm going to do. I have the screws that it comes with, drill, and Phillips bit that it does not come with, and the actual lights with the sticky pads still intact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off the sticky pads like that, stick it onto where I'm going to do it. So let me just show you. Right here, I'm just going to stick it onto there like that. That on its own, very strong. It can pick up this whole board. And this board is probably like, what, 12 pounds? So even then, you don't want, like, this might not, like, if it gets cold and then hot really quickly, it's not going to be enough. So you want to screw it in with these screws. So just line it up and then screw it down. It takes a little bit for it to catch, and then screw it in. I don't know if you guys can see this, I just now screwed it in way too tight, and it snapped the little plastic. Oh, and I think the actual screw snapped as well. Yeah, the actual head of the screw snapped off. So maybe don't use an impact wrench to tighten these on. I'm going to try again without an impact wrench. So all you have to do is just like kind of twist it off. And I cleaned it off, or just like wiped it down with my hand before. So it sticks on there. So they're basically reusable. So let's try that again. Oh man. It just snapped off again, and I didn't even screw it in all the way. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it just snapped off. So that's 2 snapped. But honestly, I wouldn't even use, like, just the sticky pad on its own is extremely strong. Really easy and simple to put on. Just don't screw the screws on into tight wood, I guess. we didn't want to permanently set up these lights outside, so we just strung them around outside our deck just to see what it would look like if we had them like mounted on there. And it looked pretty cool. If you look down below, you can see it. And it's pretty awesome. If you want to get these lights for yourself, the link is in the description below. Buy it.